Good morning. It's Heather Michet with a healthful, sustainable cooking hack for you. And that is how to get your own super nutrient-rich, vitamin-packed vegetable broth right from your own kitchen with virtually no effort whatsoever. This tip is so helpful. I have been doing this for eons and eons. And what you do is, I've got my pan here from breakfast that has the remains of some steaming water. Always use filtered water when you're cooking, folks, just to keep the nasties out of your food and out of your body. But I steamed some super greens, spinach, little baby kale, baby beet greens, and a little bit of arugula. Put a bunch of those in the pan, steamed them down a bit, and then used that lovely veggie bed for a platform to poach my egg. Yum. Great tick. So what I've got left after taking out the steamed veggie and egg combo is I have this cooled steaming liquid. So just take the cooled steaming broth, steaming liquid, and I'm putting it in a quart plastic container. It's a yogurt container. I'll put a lid on it once I get done, but simply pour your cooled liquid in there from the steaming, and then pop your lid on, put it in the freezer. And this is awesome because now I have, this one's ready to now move to the next container because it's full. Always leave, of course, some headroom, at least a good inch or so that your container doesn't break and explode in your freezer, ultimately making a huge mess. Just keep it in the freezer or fridge. You can do that too if you're thawing it for a recipe. And then here you have a quart of wonderful veggie broth that you've, quote, made simply by saving your veggie steaming water. So whether it's steaming some broccoli or cauliflower, carrots, I use the beet water too, whatever it is. I don't just drink because that's rich. Great for us. You can see a video I did on that. I'll link it down in the description. But yeah, all of the steaming waters that you get from your cooking, just collect them in a container, and then once you're anticipating making soups or stews, just get them out, let them thaw, and there you go. So happy cooking. There's your healthful, sustainable cooking tip for today. I hope you're eating well, cooking well, and enjoying being part of this solution and creating a more sustainable you and planet. Thanks for watching. Share this with any friends who are cooks and love to have nutritious food, as well as have zero waste. Hit that subscribe button too if you'd like to be part of the tribe to get more sustainable and healthful, not only cooking hacks, but other sustainable living tips as well. Keep great care.